The phrases data-driven and evidence-informed get thrown around a lot in education, but what do they even mean? I think a lot of times we just use them as stand-ins for when we don't know what else to say. But these two concepts are not the same, and they are critical concepts for education reform and school improvement. In this video, let's discuss which one to use and when. Hi friends, I'm Courtney, and I've spent my career helping educators bridge the gap between education research and practice. If you're looking for new ways to infuse research into your classroom, make sure you like and subscribe and come be a part of our community. Okay, let's get started by first defining these two terms. We'll start with data-driven. Data-driven decisions rely heavily on numerical data to guide actions. Think of things like test scores, attendance records, survey responses, or demographic statistics. This approach is great for identifying trends and patterns in your school or classroom. For example, data might reveal that a specific group of students is consistently underperforming in math, or that attendance drops off on certain days of the week. It can help you pinpoint problems quickly and objectively. The biggest strength of being data-driven is in its ability to focus your attention. Numbers don't lie. They can highlight areas that need immediate action. But here's the catch. Data-driven approaches often focus only on the what, without addressing the why. If you rely solely on numbers, you might overlook important contextual factors, like why students are disengaged, or why a particular teaching strategy isn't working. Data-driven decisions can provide clarity and direction, but without deeper exploration, they risk oversimplifying complex situations. Okay, let's now consider evidence-informed. Evidence-informed practice takes a more holistic approach. It blends research, professional expertise, and local context to guide decision-making. Unlike data-driven methods, which focus primarily on numbers, evidence-informed strategies consider multiple sources of information. This might include research studies on effective teaching methods, teacher observations, and even direct feedback from students or parents. One of the biggest benefits of being evidence-informed is its flexibility. It allows you to adapt proven strategies to your unique situation. For example, you might read about a study showing that peer learning improves math outcomes, but you tweak the method to fit your specific classroom dynamics. This approach combines the best of both worlds, the structure of research and the adaptability of professional judgment. In contrast to data-driven methods, evidence-informed decisions are not just about the numbers. They're about understanding the story behind the numbers and choosing solutions that align with the needs of your students and your environment. By incorporating multiple perspectives, evidence-informed practice ensures that your decisions are both effective and practical. Understanding the difference between data-driven and evidence-informed approaches is crucial because they serve different but complementary purposes. Data-driven methods are excellent for identifying areas of need, but identifying the problem is just the first step. Evidence-informed practices help you decide how to address that problem by considering the research, professional judgment, and local contexts. Let's take a look at a hypothetical example. Imagine your school's data reveals a significant drop in middle school reading comprehension scores. A data-driven approach would highlight the problem and show which groups of students are most affected. But what's next? This is where your evidence-informed practice comes in. You could consult research on effective reading interventions, talk with teachers about what they've seen in the classroom, and consider what resources are available at your school. Together, these insights help you choose a solution that's both evidence-based and tailored to your student needs. When used together, data-driven and evidence-informed approaches create a powerful cycle. Data identifies the problem, evidence guides the solution, and then more data helps you evaluate how well that solution worked. Separately, they can leave gaps, but together, they provide a complete picture for better decision-making. So, where do you start? Begin by blending the two approaches in your own practice. Use data to highlight key areas for improvement, then turn to research, your own professional expertise, and your context to craft a custom response. Once you've implemented a strategy, use data again to see if it worked and adjust as needed. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. How have you used data or evidence in your classroom or school? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.